Hey, yo, Quad Father, I was deadlifting yesterday and then I suddenly felt some pain in my lower back. Can you help me figure out what's going on?
What up, Done Busy? Low back pain during deadlifts is no good. So let's talk about why that low back pain could be happening, and then we'll go over how to deadlift like a boss. All right, Done Busy, let's talk about how and why you could be experiencing low back pain during your deadlifts. First thing could be in the setup. So right here as I'm standing, this is what we call my neutral position. This is what we call anterior pelvic tilt, and this is what we call posterior pelvic tilt. If your pelvis is tilted either anteriorly or posteriorly in the setup of your deadlift, leads to low back pain. So check me out. So if I'm here and I let me wrap my shirt around like this. If I'm here and you see me do this, see that arch in my low back? Boom, that leads to low back pain whenever lifting on the deadlift, especially at higher loads. The next thing that could be occurring is your foot pressure or the way you're lifting the bar in general. So let's say you have a good setup, you're in a neutral spine, but as you lift the bar, the weight goes to your heels and that bar comes forward, like that. See how it arches forward, like so? By doing that, you can improperly load the spine, specifically loading the lower back more than you should, causing low back pain during your deadlifts. So how do we fix this and then deadlift like a boss? Well, your feet are about to be hip width apart. You're going to be in what we call a neutral spine, meaning my spine position here is what it was when I was standing. I'm in a neutral spine. This is an excellent position for the loading of the spine as well as deadlifting. So I'm here. My hands are about shoulder width apart. My feet are about hip width apart. I'm going to generate tension and imagine like I'm trying to break the barbell. Then imagine trying to just rip it off the ground. Tight, stand up. If you notice, as I lifted that thing, as I lifted this bar, my bar path didn't translate forward. If anything, it went straight up, maybe had an up and back angle. Both of these are more acceptable than, once again, having that bar travel forward and loading the low back. But yeah, Done Busy, that's how we deadlift like a boss.